Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do anonymous question on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Sendit and download Sendit from Play Store. Once it is downloaded, you simply need to click on open and then you need to click on ask me anything. You simply need to click on add it, and here you can do whatever you want to ask, and okay, then you need to click on share, and once you click on share you simply need to create a click on the picture and you can send it to anyone that you want. Click on send to, so you can send that to anyone. And so let me select a friend and then you need to click on share. Once you click on share, that is share with that person. So this is a process by which you can ask anyone on Snapchat anonymous question. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.